Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the cleaning process of your Dyson DC37C, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a damp cloth, and a vacuum cleaner attachment for reaching tight spaces. First, unplug your Dyson from the power source. This is crucial for your safety during the cleaning process. Next, remove the canister by pressing the button located on the top. Empty the contents into a trash bag. Make sure to clean the canister with warm soapy water. Use the soft brush to gently scrub the inside, removing any dirt or debris that may have accumulated. While the canister is drying, focus on the filters. The Dyson DC37C has a HEPA filter and a pre-motor filter. To access these, you will need to unscrew the cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Remove the filters and rinse them under running water until the water runs clear. Let them air dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Now, let's turn our attention to the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over and remove the screws holding the brush bar in place. Check for hair or debris wrapped around the brush. If you find any, carefully cut it away using scissors. Once it's clean, reassemble the brush bar and secure it with the screws. While you're working on your vacuum, if you realize you don't have the right tools or feel it's too much hassle, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your vacuum serviced without any inconvenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. After cleaning the brush bar, examine the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and check for any clogs. Use the vacuum attachment to help clear any obstructions. If you encounter a stubborn blockage, you may need to push it through with a long object, like a broomstick. Next, inspect the connectors and the base of the vacuum. Make sure to clean these areas thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay attention to the crevices where dirt can accumulate. They can significantly affect the suction power of your Dyson DC37C. If you've followed all these steps and still notice a decrease in performance, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. It could save you time and ensure your vacuum is restored to optimal performance. Before any repairs, we always provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once everything is dry, reassemble your Dyson DC37C, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Plug it back in and test it out. You should notice an improvement in suction and overall performance. Regular maintenance, like this cleaning process, can prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it functioning effectively for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.